Alright, Lee. Bhut Jolokia. Come on, buddy. Come on, don't drink, don't drink. Just hang in there for 20. You're almost there. Alright, take her down. How hot is it? And I think that was just a tiny one, eh? Are you gonna be okay?
This milk's not fucking cutting it, man.
Well, there's the honey right there that I brought for you.
Oh, you're a bastard, man.
Oh, I didn't even think it would be that hot because it was just a small little one.
Oh, it's getting worse now.
Oh, this is awesome.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got it. If you need more milk and stuff, dude, I brought it in the cooler there for you. So how'd it taste anyway? Aside from incredibly hot. Alright, hold on. Let's set this down here. Sorry.
How long are you gonna be filming this shit, man?
For as long as it takes. You're turning a bit red now. Going down, getting worse.
Yeah, it's going down a bit.
Yeah, it was only a tiny little guy though.
He's dead, man. He's a big one.
Oh yeah, he's gonna get one of the nice full-size ones.
Wow.
Just kicked your ass right away, eh?
Jesus. How long does it fucking last for?
I guess I should have told you up to 6 hours.
Shut up.
They said anywhere, the typical thing is anywhere from a half an hour to like 6 hours apparently. Anywhere between those.
Why don't you fucking tell me that?
Do you want some Tums or something?
My tongue's just fucking burning.
That's what you get when you eat a Bhut Jolokia.
Give me one of his fucking hot peppers. And now my tongue's just on fucking fire.
You got a few of them on you?
No, they're just started turning red. I brought in a tiny little one for Lee to try. Guidi's gonna eat one of the full-size ones.
Throw this into the restaurant. I'm like, that's so funny. What are you guys doing? Obviously, that's videotape.
Yeah, obviously. Alright, Lee. Say bye.